Yeah, better wait for the lights here, considering this sort of vehicle was heading up towards the lights. You don't want to play chicken with them. I think I'm okay now though. So, got that cobblestone effect. It's quite nice, but not great on for the wheels, but not super practical. But I would imagine that this image that I've got here would be much better than what I got on the when I had the helmet cam. Should be a lot smoother. Hopefully. No, it's a great place to bike ride around anyway, because there's just not that much traffic. Because once you get out of the tourist area, there's just nothing, especially during the week. So now I've just got the lights here, which is good, and I've down there. Just got a few. Oh, there's a bit of traffic. As soon as I say there's no traffic, of course. Not as bad as Chiang Mai when they just actually seemed to attack me. No, that was really bad. But are they going to go on? I don't know. I think they're doing the pathways are so wide. It's fantastic for bike riding, and of course there's not much traffic really, so you don't interfere with other people much. It's good lifestyle. A few backpackers. This is a cheap backpacker place just down here, and they're still building the art centre. And big surprise, it's over budget and behind schedule. Aren't all art centres? They seem to be always slow building the damn things, and they always cost a damn fortune. And it'll be interesting to see what sort of productions are on there. Yeah, just riding down the quiet back streets where I live. There's apparently a bowling alley, 10-pin bowling alley down the road, but I'm just going to go up to Gatton Street. You can see it's pretty quiet. This is actually a Saturday afternoon. Hell of a lot easier than going on the main roads. Still got a bit of this. This is the weird thing about this tricycle. It wobbles a bit, and I can feel it sort of wobbling underneath me, and like it, you know, I could fall over and go arse over tit at any stage. I don't know if that's really a possibility. I don't think this is Gatton Street here. I've got to go one more street, I think. Which means I've got to go into Severn Street, which is pretty busy. Arterial Road, and then into wonderfully named Horse Street, which will then take me to the to where the there's a bowling club there, which is not supposed to be as good as the one at Edge Hill, but Edge Hill's further away. But so I might have a look at it. I don't know what the name of this street is here. Now that's not Severn there. It's another side street, so I might give that a go. Streets are pretty good round here. I love the way there's hills in the background. It's really nice. Treat Severn with a bit of deference. We'll go down the little bike track here though. This is where there's a really nice little bike track that I featured before, so first time with my tricycle. Yeah, it's nice. It's sort of canopy of trees. Old Queenslanders to the left there. Yeah, it's quite an attractive little spot to have a ride. Unfortunately, it doesn't go right through. And I think it might be Horse Street just... Oh, so this would be Gatton Street just up here, I think. So like I say, some really nice properties here. This would be an expensive part of Parramatta Park. But there's probably going to be less and less of these sort of big houses as they keep building units, I guess. The maintenance would be pretty high, and I'd actually, well, the rates wouldn't be much more than I'm paying, because it seems to be such a flat rate system they've got here. It's not quite as equitable as it is in Melbourne. Okay, now we're going, I think this is Gatton Street. From this guy on the bloody electric scooter. Yeah, I think we're in Gatton Street. So it's got quite a nice view of the hills there. Quiet today compared to weekdays when you've got all the workers out. It's good. And we cross here where there's a bike path that I've gone down. It goes past the TAFE College, which is over to the right there. So there you can see there's a creek there, and along that creek is the closest bike path to me. It's just going down there, and that might be the part of the TAFE College there. Not sure. It's a fairly big operation, but there's not that much wind today, which is good, so it makes it quite a pleasant ride. So I'll just sign off now, and yeah, a bit of traffic now, there you go, and just yeah, I'll sign off now and concentrate on the road, I think. There you go, got Griffiths Park there, Cricket Association, and AFL Saints side, which I don't think are doing that well, if I recall. Yeah, it's not bad, is it? Not a bad look at all. This is a hell of a lot better. Going along that creek on the way back, thought I'd take a different route back home. I've done it before, but the thing is, there was quite a headwind going back from that was the bowl club next to the football ground. So, but there was quite a headwind heading back this direction towards the city. So my fitness ain't up to what it should be. But I keep doing this every day. Presumably it will get better. And it's such a beautiful day today. I thought, look, it'd be a sin not to go out and have a bit of a pedal. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you think there's anything there of use to you, or entertainment or whatever. And either do that or give me a thumbs up, or if you're feeling really energetic, do both. That'd be great. But please don't ignore me. That's the worst thing you can do on YouTube, is be ignored.